Hey guys, it's Kelly here, and if you don't recognize me, I have colored my hair. It is very dark right now and we are headed to BALER. Actually, Carlos and Tristan are already in the car and they're just waiting for me. I just wanted to do like a last minute check of the house before we leave. And yeah, let's go. Road trip! Alright, so we are ready to go. Tris, are you ready?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
To the hotel.
What hotel? The beach?
Yeah, we're on the hotel.
So we just got here to BALER after a 6-hour drive. It felt like 8 hours, to be honest. And it felt like we went all the way to Baguio. But we're here and it's raining. I'm hoping the event tomorrow won't have bad weather. I'm hoping it will be sunny. And we're hungry. I think at this point it's almost 9 o'clock in the evening and we just kind of want to eat. So we're here at Beach House and we're staying at Costa Pacifica. We're just waiting for our food. We just ordered and yeah. How was the drive, Los? Are you tired?
Yeah, first time to drive. Tired.
Was it a good drive?
Yeah, fairly.
So it's a better drive now.
Last time it was what? Less than a month. First not
Okay. Hey guys, good morning. It is around 8:30 and I'm getting ready for the event today, which is for AVON, and it is actually just next door. And still getting ready. Tristan's eating, though he can have breakfast downstairs. And I'm so glad that it's sunny outside because it was raining really hard yesterday. So yeah. So this is what I'm wearing today. I am ready. I am dressed for the event, and yeah, this is a room in Costa Pacifica and it's pretty spacious. It's a nice, comfortable room. And when I asked the organizers of the AVON event, like where can I stay that's comfortable, they suggested this place and it's pretty nice. I like this is the bed and we have like a nice couch here where Tristan is like hanging out, and it's really spacious and comfortable, and yeah, we're really liking it. Hey guys, so I just did the briefing and I know what to do now. I'm actually going to be one of the judges for this great Glam race and it's going to be very exciting. Although I can't really show you like what's going to happen because I have like a grand reveal of being a judge. Sayang though. I'm very excited to be part of this event. I'll tell you more about it in a bit. Okay, so we are back here at Beach House and
Yeah, and we're gonna eat.
We're gonna eat lunch. Actually, after the briefing of the Great Glam Race by AVON, they made me hide because I'm supposed to be like a grand reveal as the judge for the Great Glam Race. And yeah, I'm supposed to come back at around 1 o'clock. Only 12, so I'm gonna have lunch first and spend time with this little guy. It's really beautiful here. When we arrived yesterday, it was raining, it was so dark and gloomy, but today it's a beautiful day and we actually did 2 shoots already. We did 2 layouts for my Instagram, and I mean, look at this. It's just so pretty. I actually want to go for a swim. Carlos already went. Check out the water, maybe go surfing, but it's just to check it out because he has to watch Tristan while I do my judging duties. Yeah, I think my work will be short and sweet, so I get to come back here and enjoy the rest of the day here, and I'm very excited. So now they have formed into groups, and what they're supposed to do is they're supposed to create the best content, and I'm going to be judging their work. This is so exciting. Okay, so I just told them the mechanics and I'm so excited to see their final work because I'm going to be judging it. And I'm sure it's going to be a difficult task because they are grouped into 3 teams. So there's like 8, and 9 persons in each team. They are going to come up with the best beauty content according to the brands of Avon, which is Simply Pretty, Avon True, and Mark by Avon. So yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna have a very hard time because it is difficult to judge other people's work because you know that they poured their heart and soul into it. But yeah, I'm very excited though.
And I'm sure you can all identify with all of these brands bilang lahat kayo, lahat tayo, mga beauty content creators. I just want to say congratulations to everyone who joined. Grabe, it was so difficult to really choose a winner. And of course, to the mentors, they really mentored well.
They are the winners of this challenge! Ang galing nyo! Okay, so we're back here at Costa Pacifica with the mentor of a winning team. And grabe siya. Grabe yung photo na pinost niya. I'm gonna try to add it here para you can see. Sobrang deserving. And yeah, actually everyone naman. Kaya lang, ang hirap talaga mamili. There has to be one winner. Thank you, Kelly. Na-joke lang. So far, this trip has been so much fun. It's been so great to meet so many up-and-coming content creators and just pick their brains because they are just starting and I know how it feels to just start something. So I finally got to see the beach after being here in BALER for about 24 hours already. It is just so beautiful. Now I understand why this is a surfer's paradise. It's really so beautiful. So far, it's been really good. Well, apart from the event of AVON, the Great Glam Race, which was really a lot of fun. I love that we got to stay at one of the best resorts here in BALER, which is Costa Pacifica. And I'm glad that I got to see this beach, which is so beautiful. It's around 5:30 in the afternoon, so it's sunset. And you can just see all the colors changing. It's just so wonderfully beautiful. And you can see the surfers surfing. It's a gorgeous beach. It's like a long stretch of beach with gray sand, but it's fine sand. Very, very fine gray sand. See the mountains along this side and along that side. So it's the perfect backdrop for this beach. It's really worth going to. Our car ride coming here was 6 hours long, and that's pretty long. I think that's even longer than going to Baguio. But it's really worth it because of this. It's really a beautiful place, and I love that it's a surfing community and there's so much to do here. I hope that I can get to show you more of the surfing community tomorrow when we have the time. We're all showered and ready for bed, but we forgot we had to eat dinner. Hey guys, so it's day 3 here in BALER. It's our last day, and as usual, we are here at Beach House having lunch. We skipped breakfast this morning just because we wanted to sleep in. And as we are having breakfast, we are also shooting around the area. So I'm gonna insert photos from our shoot. This resort is really so Instagrammable. It's really so pretty. There are many spots that you can go to where you can shoot. And yeah, I can't wait to show it to you guys, especially in Instagram. So we literally have 1 more hour left before before we have to check out. I requested for a late checkout last night and they approved it. So we have to be out here by 2:30. And it's kind of sad because Tristan's really enjoying the beach and we're really enjoying the water. It's really beautiful out here. It's really so amazing. I love the beach. It's so long and so wide. We were just here in this area and I think that's a reason to come back. I definitely want to check out the different restaurants here. I hear there's a lot of great food here in BALER, a lot of nice restaurants to try, and we will be sure to make time for that next time. Just staying here for the past 3 days has been such an experience, and although there was work in between, it really was a fantastic mini vacation, and I can't wait to come back here.